Hello everyone, need to block someone on Snapchat but not sure whether the option is. In this video, I'll show you the updated method step by step so you can manage your privacy quickly and confidently. Follow along and you will have it done in just a few simple taps today. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure to log into your current account. After the app is open, use the search bar at the top. Here, simply type the person name if you want to block. After typing the person name, when you appear, tap to open the person profile. After that, look at the top right menu bar. Find the three dots more icon. Tap on it. From the pop-up menu, choose block. Confirm by tapping block again. And that's just how you can easily block someone on Snapchat. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials, helpful app tips and updated how-to videos every single day. Bye guys.